It's important that these people from Sulawesi that come, and also who's not from Sulawesi.
Dan selamat sore, selamat datang di sesi PreMatch Press Conference BRI Liga 1 pekan ke-24 antara tuan rumah PSM Makassar melawan tamu Persita Tangerang.
Selamat sore. First of all, it's a pleasure to be here to do study for us at home. We expect that tomorrow the supporters come and enjoy the game. About the conditions, okay, if we compare our conditions, comparing with Persita, okay, they have more time training with full squad. Unfortunately, for many reasons, we cannot have this time. But tomorrow is a match. It's going to be 11 one side, 11 the other, with some players on the bench. And we're going to try to be a team, because tomorrow it's very important to be a strong team in all moments of the game, with ball, without ball. And we hope that the supporters, PSM Makassar, come and support the team, because tomorrow is going to be a very important match. And I hope that the referee make a good match and we can see a good game.
Good afternoon. For the match tomorrow, we do the same team. We prepare for win the match. We know it's a very hard game, but we train hard for winning this match, because we know this match, the 3 points, is very, very important for us.
Di Balikpapan banyak warga Sulawesi Selatan dan menyegarati untuk didukung oleh supporter PreMatch. Seperti apa sih melihat animo supporter dan bagaimana Anda melihat pertandingan besok dengan hadirnya supporter PreMatch? Terus yang kedua, kan kita tahu ya Coach Sayuri sudah berada di tim, apakah besok ada garansi untuk di pertandingan sejak awal atau seperti apa?
First question, I think it's important that these people from Sulawesi that come, and also who's not from Sulawesi, because our team need extra energy, and it's totally different when we have the supporters from our supporters, because the player is more focused and give more to the game. About the second question, yes, Jacob already be here, and he start training with us, and let's see tomorrow if he play or not.